Good morning to all. Ranunculales, one of the most primitive family of angiosperms. Today we will discuss one flower from Ranunculales that is Ranunculus scleratus in the series of flower description. For the practical purpose for MSc Botany Semester 3 students, for the paper Taxonomy of Angiosperms. So today we will discuss some field recognition characters of family Ranunculaceae. First, they are herbs, leaves often divided or palmately compound with sheathing leaf bases, stamens numerous and spirally arranged, carpels numerous, distinct spirally arranged, and unilocular. Now we come to the discussion. This is the picture of Ranunculus scleratus. This is It is commonly known as celery-leaved crowfoot, and the family Ranunculaceae is also known as buttercup family. It is annual herb, taproot with branched taproot. Stem is erect, stout, branched, glabrous and solid. Cultivated varieties possess extremely reduced stem. There are so many varieties of ranunculus which are cultivated and they are very beautiful. Leaf is simple petiolate, short petiole, simple petiolate. This is another species of ranunculus. X stipulate. Stipules if present are membranous. Multicosted reticulate venation. Flower, cymose dicacial cyme. This is flower bracteate. This is another species. This is another species or maybe subspecies of Ranunculus scleratus. There is difference in leaf. Flower bracteate, bracteolate. These are bracteoles. This is bract. Complete hermaphrodite, pedicellate, spirocyclic, actinomorphic, pentamerous and hypogynous. Calyx sepals 5. These are Polysepalous petalloid. They are yellowish in color. Imbricate or quinquential estivation. Sepals are reflexed from the base. Corolla petals 5, polypetalous. Bright yellow spreading from the base. Imbricate estivation at the base of each petal is present. Greenish pocket shaped nectary. Androecium stamens numerous. You can see here is numerous. Spirally arranged over the receptacle. This is receptacle. This is LS flower. This is receptacle and they are arranged spirally. over the receptacle. Polyandrous filaments long and yellow. Anthers long, vesifix, diathecus, and extrudes. Extrudes facing towards petal. This is nectary. Greenish nectary. This is. Gynoecium is polycarpellary. Apocarpus. Carpels are arranged spirally over an oblong receptacle. These are carpels. Superior unilocular ovule, one in each locule with basal placentation. Style very much reduced or absent and fimbriate stigma. This is one anther. Cellus flower. This is one flower. This is twig. And this is floral formula. Fruit and etidio of achilles. And floral formula is bracteate, bracteolate, actinomorphic, hermaphrodite, K5 free, C5 free. Endoecium indefinite, gynoecium indefinite, apocarpus, and superior. Now we come to the identification and systematic position. So it is angiosperm, seeds enclosed within the ovary wall. Presence of two cotyledons in seed. Flowers are pentamerous, reticulate venation, dicotyledon. Petals are free, polypetally. Dome shaped thalamus present and superior ovary. Series thalamiflory. Many stamens, carpels are many and free. Comes under order Renales. Herbaceous habit, leaves accestipulate, numerous spirally arranged stamens, family Renan, characters of family Ranunculaceae, and many free spirally arranged stamens, and basal placentation is the character of Ranunculus. So this is the description of Ranunculus scleratus. Thank you. Hmm? Over. Mhm. Good morning to all. In this series of flower description, today we will discuss Chino. ये क्या हुआ? Ordinary.